Hey guys, welcome back. Hope you guys are doing great. So today is another hair review. See guys, I left my nails like this. I did not polish them. I just want to allow them to like breathe. I said these nails, they need to breathe because all the time polish. So I just added Adna to my nails. They've been like this for like 4 days now. I think I'm going to leave it like this for like 1 week before I will now add nail polish. So I'm almost tempted to like polish them because of this video, but I said no, it's natural. Okay, it's natural, so let me leave it. So excuse this if you see my nails like this. I just left it for a purpose. So today video I'll be installing this wig from April Lace Wig Store. This is it. It came in this cute bag. You can see this. The bag is so cute, and this is their website here. You guys can see it here. 13 by 6 lace wig and is 22 inches. The cap size is medium. You get, ooh, see this. Ooh, I love this color. Wow, ah. Wow, you see this? Ooh, this is so gorgeous, so gorgeous, so gorgeous. I like the color. It's brown mixed with gold. I love this. It's so beautiful, so beautiful. So I love that this coils, you see, if you're lazy, ooh, you don't need to coil it. Okay, so you just brush it out and that is it. Also the hairline, you see, came pre-plucked, so I'm not going to bother myself to do that. And the inside, this is the construction. It came with adjustable detachable strap and also inbuilt strap. Okay, and there's a lace at the back. With this you can pack ponytail, but I'm not going to glue this down. But if you want, you can glue it down. Maybe if you want to pack your hair ponytail, you can glue this down. Okay, and also there are some combs in here to secure the wig to your scalp. Let's see if there's any smell. There's no smell because I hate it when any wig comes smelling bad. Alright guys, we're going to install this together. Okay, I will leave the link to the unit on the description box. Everything you need to know about this wig will be on the description box, so if you're interested you can check that out. Alright, if you're new here, thank you so much for tuning in. I appreciate. Please, before you go, if you haven't subscribed, don't hesitate to click on that subscribe button and that bell icon. Thank you so much. I really appreciate that. Thank you. I'll use this to take the hair backward so that those flying hair don't disturb me when I want to cut the lace from it. You see here, then you see here. Sometimes this one can overlap, so it doesn't mean you can cut it. You're doing this just because you want your ear to show. Okay, all right, I'm going to cut this.
I'd like to dream, keep on dreaming about us, baby. Hey. Now tell me exactly how you feel. I'm just trying to keep it real. Let me love you on the inside, love you on the inside. Tell me exactly what you mean.
Make sure you cut it very close to the hairline. You don't mind removing some of the hair. You see what I'm doing? I like bringing my wig to the front because see my hair here, you see, so I'll bring it to cover my hair. That's, I mean, my natural hair. Okay.
Okay, we're good to go.
So today I'll be using Got2b glue spray. Sometimes I use gel, but today I'll use Got2b glue spray. So I'm going to apply this primer is from Isha. See, this is to protect your edges from breaking. You know this glue can destroy hair. I'll first of all spray it on my hairline round. Then I'll blow it to dry in a cool form. So now that it's tacky, I'm going to drop this. Oui, c'est cassé. Yes.
Tu peux pas changer de bouchon?
Non, pas tout de suite.
Hein?
Pas tout de suite.
Ah, mais tu pourras ou...
Oui, 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 je peux changer. So I'm going to tie this down.
I will never smile for you.
So I'm going to loose this from my hair.
You made your bed, now lie in it, baby. Rest your head, let it dream about me. Cause I'm fed up with your craze.
I use hot comb. Be careful so that you don't hurt yourself.
Yeah, I will never cry for you, cry for you, cry for you, cry for you. Oh yeah, yeah. How do you expect me to when I'm over you? Can't you tell by the look on my face that I will never smile for you, smile for you, smile for you, smile for you? Yeah, I will never smile for you. Yeah. I will never smile for you. I will never smile for you.
I'll clean the glue from it. You can see the glue on my hairline.
Oh yeah, but somehow I always seem to wait.
Oh la la.
Baby, if we talk for a minute, then maybe we'd be getting.
So I'm going to make baby hairs just here and here. I don't want to put in front.
This is going, I really need to know, babe. Can we just open up? Cause I got to know if you feel the things I do. I might need some help if you let me go. Cause I'm flying through the sky.
Add oil to my hair. I want to add pattern. I don't know. Should I do center or should I do something side? Okay, let me do something side like this.
Heart is falling for someone else. Whoa, 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 maybe we should talk for a minute. Then maybe we'd be getting somewhere. I just wanna love you a little to see where this is going. I really need to know, babe.
My hot comb off, so it's not that hot. So with this, you think my pattern is so wide.
Little high on you. think that we need a guiding light. Right now we're running around in circles, but if you don't even wanna try, I need to know it. Can we just open up? 'Cause I got to know if you feel the things I do. I might need.
So I think that is it. You see, I did not turn the hair. I don't want to comb it, I just want to finger comb through it like this.
Saw you paint a picture of a face, a face that wasn't even close to mine.
Okay.
I know I shouldn't be in love, but it's so hard to move on. You haven't changed, you stayed the same. But if you did, I'd still love you anyway.
So guys, that is it for this video. I hope you find this helpful. Gorgeous, please, before you go, if you haven't subscribed, hit on that subscribe button and that bell icon. Thank you so much for doing that. If you like this video as well, please, why not support your girl by clicking on that like button, and I will see you guys in my next one. Don't forget, this week is from April lace week. I'm going to leave all the infos you need to know about this hair on the description box, okay? So don't hesitate to check that out.